annotate is to explain something, right? How are we explaining here? We are identifying something, marking it with a tool, and then giving a comment or explanation to it through a label. Okay, so data annotation is many times called as data labeling. Okay, and then we saw that. Can someone mute yourself? Yeah, I'm getting an echo here. Okay, so data annotation is annotating or labeling the data type that we have. So for this course 101, we are going to do only data annotation of images. Okay, and we will be introducing you to 2 data tools and 2 platforms. So last week and this week we are going to work on the tool called as Super Annotate. So last week we had you do an assignment on Super Annotate with box, right? Bounding box. Something went wrong. Okay, no problem. Okay. How many people submitted Jitu last week's assignment?
10, sir.
10. Okay. So 10
அது
people. Yeah.
நம்ம இதுல வந்து டீலன் சார் அதுல இருக்கவங்களே எப்படி 20 மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. டுமாரோ எப்படி ரிமூவ் பண்றாங்க அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி சொல்றாங்க. என்ன சரியா தெரியல.
எதுக்கு?
டீலன் சார்
கோர்ஸ்ல இருந்தவா?
ஆமா.
சரி, அது இங்க இதுல பேசாதீங்க, அப்புறம் பேசுறோம். Okay. Yeah, team, sorry. So assignment for last week was right. I had asked you to take some images of a car, and we had we were talking about class, subclass, attribute, and instance. Class was a group of objects which are classified based on some characteristics or states. So we saw all cars. Okay, one type of a vehicle is car, right? Like bus, lorry, bicycle, right? So cars is one type of a vehicle, and they are all grouped under the class name as cars. And in that, the subclass is the type of cars. So we just saw 4 type of cars: hatchback, sedan, SUV, and MPV. And then we asked you to classify everything else as others. Then an attribute, the feature or the quality of one particular instance. Okay, so this car is color blue, the other one is black, this is pink, white, silver, right? So some attribute of that particular instance. So we had color as the attribute captured the subclass and the class as car, and asked you to submit 50 images. Remember, week 1 we had collected 50 car images. We asked you to annotate those 50 images and submit it as a project. So I hear that 10 of you have submitted. So this week, right? Remember the second type of document that I had asked you to collect, right? The second type of pictures that we collected on week 1 was people in the field, right? Any agricultural field, horticultural field, right? Farms, anywhere, right? So again, I'm going to show you. Is everybody able to hear me and see my screen? Can I move on to the next activity, this week's activity?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So after you have got your particular images somewhere, right? Let me show that again. How do we create a project? Click on new project, give a name to your project. I am keeping it as week 3 assignment, and then followed by your name, right? Select a place where you want that to be there. So I already have it here, right? And then choose the files that you have for, what do you say, annotation. Remember that 50 files that your pictures that you have collected for people who are in the field, right? Vineyard or any farm. That select it and create. So when you create, all those 50 images will come in. And today, let me talk to you about another tool. Last week, we saw this tool, remember, about box, right? We selected identify an object and marked it with this tool as box and then labeled it accordingly. So this week, we are going to use a different tool, the polygon tool. Okay, so here, if you're able to see that, there is another tool called as polygon. And here I would want you to mark the people that are there in your particular image, right? For an example, always, as I said, while you are marking, you need to zoom in to your maximum and then mark, right? I'm just placing a click here, right? How do I go back? Can someone guide me? Remember what is the to do? Control Z. There was something, right? I forgot. Anyone who's used to what is the next? Okay, with shift you'll be shift and scroll your mouse. It will move. What do you say? Top and control, right? And scroll your mouse. It moves from left to right. Okay. You have anyways this particular 4 arrow symbol there, which will help you drag the image. You see to what level I'm zooming in, even capturing the curves in the garment. Right? I'm just clicking wherever the direction changes. I'm clicking. Okay. Okay, so this will take a little more time than how you did box. Box was a little easier, right? Just click, drag. It will help you. You're able to see what I'm doing. This is to this level of accuracy that you need to maintain, right? Where you zoom in to the maximum. Team, are you able to watch this? Say I'm avoiding the grass there. Okay. Okay. So this is, you will see, this is the instance that I have marked using the polygon tool. Okay. And the class here is person. Okay. Class will be person. And the subclass that you would want here is gender. You need to tell what gender they are, male or female, only two. Okay. Remember class, subclass. So your class here is person and the subclass here is male, female. Okay. If you want to add one more feature, you can put, what do you want here? Okay. Okay.
What they are working.
Sorry, a little.
Are working.
Sorry, one more time.
அவங்க என்ன வேலை செய்யறாங்கங்கறத போடலாமா சார்? அவங்க ஸ்டாண்ட் நின்னுட்டு இருக்காங்க இல்ல அறுவடை செய்றாங்க அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது.
Okay, we will define work, right? Activity. Okay. We will again put here only two. Okay. We will say worker. Right, he is actually working, doing some work in the field or others. Okay. Only two, whether he's a worker or just anyone else. Right. So here in this class, I'm selecting person. Gender is here male. And is he working? No, he's not working. He's just watching something. Right. So I have these three things here. And so I would want you to mark as many as you can till next Saturday. Okay, so I wouldn't know how many are there in this in your images. So here I have 5. I would classify all 5 as workers, right? And if in case you don't know the gender, just say unknown. Okay, you can add that as one more, male, female, unknown. Okay, 2 female, and they are working, doing some sort of collection, right? I just add for today's session, I just certainly downloaded 2. So I have one person who's not a worker. The other 2 images I have workers. Okay. Let me show you another one. If you want, again, click on this, zoom into your maximum that you can. Okay. Right. Zoom into the maximum. Okay, so this person I'm marking person, assuming it as female. If you're not sure, put unknown, and I'm classifying this person as worker. Right, likewise, you'll have to do that. One golden rule, always remember, while you are marking an instance, always zoom into your maximum. and then mark. Okay, don't be hasty, don't do it urgently. You would understand, Sumati? Sumati, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if there is some case like that where you don't have a person in the image, use this point instead of box and polygon. The third tool is point. Use a point and you create a class called as no people or no person. Right? Any other questions? Anybody else? Any other questions? Okay. So once you have created this, right? How to upload? Remember the link that G2 shares. You need to upload this whole, what do you say, folder itself, right? Inside the folder you will have four components. Images, remember that the three images that you have done will be there, or 50 images in your particular instance, and then three different JSON files: annotations, classes, and configuration. All four should be there inside the folder. You need to upload the whole folder along with your name, right? Week3 assignment JP, and upload it in the path that G2 will be sharing. Any other question, anybody? Okay, one more thing, team. This whole course is about is activity based. There are no assessments like you have online assessments, question answer, MCQ. No, all your marks is based on completion of the activity. Week 1 was data collection, two types of data. One, cars, right, with number plates, and second was, no, just cars, right? Cars, and the second type was people in the field. That was week 1 assignment. Even if you have not done till today, please do that. You can also watch the previous sessions in video. You have uploaded that, Jitu, in the portal. 2 weeks videos?
போர்ட்டல் அப்லோட் பண்ண முடியல சார். யூடியூப்ல வீடியோ லாங் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி வருது. ஸோ டிரைவ்ல மட்டும் அப்லோட்
Okay, but
பண்ணியிருக்கேன்.
give that link to people. No? Give the link to people in the WhatsApp group. Okay, watch that.
Yes, sir.
You need to make understanding. Okay. And then second week was last week, where we asked you to work on super annotated platform using the bounding box. Okay, the bounding box tool, and we have to mark cars. In cars, we had subclasses, type of cars, sedan and all of that, and the attribute was color. This week, we are giving you an assignment on using the polygon tool on the images where you have people in the field. The activity here is to identify people and mark them as person. Subclass will be gender, male, female. Attribute will be activity. Are they a worker or not? Are they doing some work or just watching or standing, like that? Right? Your classification based on the image, are you able to classify them as worker or others? So this is the third week assignment, and your submission of the assignment is what will give you marks for that week, right? Fourth week, another assignment will be there, and finally you will have one final assignment which only on submission of the assignment you will be certified. Okay, it is good that you're attending these sessions, you're gaining some knowledge, but not knowing about annotation, but actually ability to do data annotation is what is required. So only when you are able to do data annotation, you'll be certified. Otherwise, you will not be certified. So that is why we are asking you to submit your assignments. Even if the timeline is passed, you can still continue to pick up these assignments and submit it. Even if it is delayed, I will accept it and give you the marks. Are you able to understand? Even if it is delayed, week 1, week 2, week 3, you can submit all 3 assignments all together at the same time. I'm okay with that. I'm okay that you have missed, in case you have missed week 1 and week 2. Others also can submit all 3 assignments together. Jitu, give them the video files link and also the path to where they can upload the various assignments.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else? Any other questions do you have?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, Sumati.
சார் நீங்க 4 இது கேட்டீங்கல்ல, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அந்த 50 இமேஜோட அட்டாச்மெண்ட் ஒன்று இருக்கணும், பேலன்ஸ் 3 ஃபைல் வந்து
இல்ல three activities. First activity is where you have data collection. 2 types of data collection I gave. 50 images on car, 50 images on people in the field. That is week 1 assignment. Week 2 is last week we had, right? Bounding box and cars. You were to identify cars, subtype, subclass of cars, sedan, SUV, MPV, hatchback or others, attribute, color. That is second activity. Third activity is this week, where I'm giving you assignment on identifying people in the field using polygon as a tool. And the class is person, subclass is gender, male, female, attribute is the activity, whether they are working or not.
சார் இது புரிஞ்சது சார். நீங்க ஃபைல் அப்லோட் பண்ணும் பொழுது 3 ஃபைல் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா பண்ண சொன்னீங்கல்ல?
ஆமா,
அட்டாச்மென்ட். அந்த 3 ஃபைல் என்ன எங்ககிட்ட எங்க இருக்கு அதுதான் தெரியலன்னு கேக்குறேன்.
Okay. I'm again sharing my screen. All right. You're able to see my screen? Remember this, you created a project here, right? When you keep your mouse on that project, that it will tell you where this particular project is saved, right? I have kept it on desktop. Remember, this is the assignment, week 3 assignment.
Okay.
This project, when I open this project, you will already have the images and the 3 files there.
And the 3 files.
Automatically it will be there while you create, right? Let me delete all of this now, right? Deleted that. I'm coming here, right? This is how new project, right? I'm creating a project, week 3 assignment. Okay, where am I saving it? For you can save it anywhere. For our right now demo, I'm saving it in desktop. Okay, and then I'm choosing the files that I want. Here I have just downloaded 3. You will have 50 images. Select that images, create the project. When you create the project, remember here week 3, the project that I created right now, that will automatically have all the 4 files that we need. One is the images, remember 3 images, you will have 50, right? The other 3 are automatically created when I am creating a project here. Remember I said create at the bottom. When I click create, all the other 3s are done. So here, remember when I am marking something, right? I'm using something and I'm marking, right? Just an example I'm saying, right? And marking a class, right? All of this will be automatically saved there in those stuff, right? The classes that I'm making, the annotation, all of that will automatically get saved in those files. The tool will take care of it. Don't worry about that. But while you're uploading, make sure that all the 4 are there. You don't have to do anything here. What you're doing on the tool is automatically saved in this file, JSON file. Okay, the classes that you create are saved here. So while you are uploading for submission, submit the whole folder.
അങ്ങനെ ഇവിടെ അറിയിച്ചു പക്ഷേ ഹാൾമാർക്ക് മുദ്ര ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇനി കട കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ.
Clear?
Okay, புரிஞ்சது சார்.
Okay. Anybody else has any other question? Jitu, mute yourself.
ஹலோ சார்.
Yeah, Aishwarya.
சார் இப்போ ஒரு இமேஜ்ல பீப்புள்ஸ் பேக் சைடுல நிறைய இருந்தாங்கன்னா எல்லாத்தையுமே மார்க் பண்ணணும் இல்லைங்க? பேக் சைடுல கிளியரா தெரியல ரொம்ப.
If it is not clear, avoid it. But if it is, don't avoid it just because it is small. Even if they are small but clear, mark them.
Okay sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions? Any clarification from anyone? Okay. So if there are no questions, then I'm going to stop here. Okay. So I will recommend that and encourage all of you to work on this, have some hands-on experience, submit your assignment so that you can learn one skill. Certification is secondary, but you are attending these sessions, you have an opportunity to learn one skill. And the organization is also certifying that you are certified, you have learned one particular skill, new skill. So do not waste this opportunity. Try, it will not take a long time, right? Box and all you could have completed within 1 hour. Maybe this, because it is Polygon, it will take 2 hours, right? Take your time, spend daily 15 minutes, or one day you sit half an hour, finish 10 images, right? It is good to learn. Spend your time and learn this particular skill. This is the skill that is required, or the most wanted skill at the moment in the organization. Jitu, anything else from your end, or can we wrap it off? Okay, team. Thank you for joining, and hopefully see you next week. And I would expect that everybody who has attended this session will be submitting your assignments. You can submit all 3 weeks together. Thank you, team.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, bye.